Oi, Mooney bridge.
Bro, I was a 30-minute bridge. 370 past his V6 Lamborghini up on 2. Pull my head forward into my window. Barely kept it down. Moody bridge. Not even kidding you.
First off, praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no right, I don't play both sides. Been sold out with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
You! Coilovers are finally here for Quinny's Fairlane, so they're going in. Just the front pair, as we've got to design a rear section. And then Sam's behind us fitting his coilovers in the back of his AU, so it's good times. Handling is what we're about. Alright, so right now I'm moving the air filter box just to get to the top of the strut. And then we'll lift her up, get the wheels off, get the bottom bolt out, re-lower it, and undo the top bolts. So just going to get all this out of the way so you can bolt it in and out. And then on the other side there, we'll have to remove the coolant bottle. This is complete, so yeah, beautiful. I've already unbolted the other side, so that's all good. This to the side. I'm going to be delicate with this so you don't rip a hose off. Up we go. Get the wheels off. Oh no, the lock nut. Stop the lock nut now and continue with removing the wheel.
We have a perfect amount of tread here.
Heaps of tread.
Enough tread to sink a battleship, so CB.
So we haven't taken for a wheel alignment since we first lowered it because we were making coilovers. But this tyre's still okay. Driver wheel had severely less tread to begin with. It was a little bit still good, hold the air, you know. That's all you need your tyre to do is hold the air. 18 mil. Sorry, I gotta talk to myself, so we're on a time schedule here. My toolbox is that way.
What's happening?
I've got the bottom of the strut bolt head. Just got to get the socket for the top. Now that I know where my toolbox is, that will be a lot easier. Yeah, you work. Oh. I'm excited for this. It's not even my car. Don't want to rip the ABS out. But the thing is, doesn't help, is those shocks are blown too. Did this thing drive horrendous? Disgusting.
Yeah. Look, let's be honest, I felt like I was going to die every time I went fast.
I'll do it. I know, everyone's probably waiting for me to bust the hammer out. It's just one of those, just clips on top of the strut. And it's a piece of plastic and you wonder, how does that hold a whole shock in? I don't know either. All I hear is excuses.
Camo!
Sorry.
Get out of here, man!
I will go get the product to install.
What do we have here?
Mate, very good. HSD Coilovers. 550 a set. AU house. Check us out. We can hook you up. All coilovers. not just forward ones as well. So we can adjust this due to our current time frame. I feel like just throwing them in, but I know. Things I haven't put these in before, not to afford anyway. I don't even know where to start. Right. In we go. We'll lower the car down substantially shorter. Guys, we're going to need to keep a PG rating because we're filming. How much is over there? Trying to keep a clean content. He's over there bloody cursing everything. Make it back to me someday. I look across and expect to see your face. Remember 1,000 miles away. Oh, if Caramel Koala is listening, send us out some chocolate, eh? Came for some caramel koala. What are you trying to do with that light, boy? Okay. Forgot what I'm doing. What am I doing? We're adjusting the coilovers. As where I predicted, where I just sat them before I put it in the car, was going to be way too low. And it's way too low. So, just adjusting the adjusties for the Cuzzy Bros.
Cheer my bro.
Bit of adjustments in it, actually.
Looked like a bit of an
Actually,
Camino lowrider.
it was funny because Quiddy the other day we were talking before we bought the Fairlane. We're going on, and I'm like, "Oh, I need coilovers." Like, what's coilovers? And I'm like, "You don't know what coilovers are." And then I'm like, "Oh, adjusties." Instantly knew what I was talking about.
Let's go.
I thought it was funny. Oh, there's definitely some tension under those springs. Jeez, we got a bit more to go.
I look across and expect to see your face. And remember you're 1,000 miles away.
Right, so let's see how my El Camino lowrider sits. What's up, baby? Hey, David. What's up, baby?
I mean, it would be sick, except it's going to be too low everywhere you drive, and the new springs will still set a little bit. So I've got at least a centimetre and a half, so 15 more mil. Maybe. No, we've got 20 more mil because we're going to be putting 19s on it, so that way it will. We don't want to destroy guards when you go to the shops. So we go to the shops all the time because
It's a daily driver.
buy food and stuff. Coilovers are in. We've set it not too low, but from what it feels like right here, they're actually pretty firm. So these are 14 kilo. Yeah, it's not exactly moving, so we might have to ease off the dampness a little bit. But I'm pretty happy actually with that already. These are a lot better than the other brand that we were using. We're not going to say them because they could get upset about it, but look, they're the ones making crap coilovers, so we'll be selling these bad boys. Thanks guys, that's all for today. We'll have the next video next week for you guys. Don't know what we're doing, but it'll be something funny. Hope you enjoyed. Give us a comment, let us know what you feel like. Any questions about the suspension, put it in the bottom of the chat. We'll answer it. Thank you, have a great one.